Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Mother's Day card only using colored pencils. So, it's that time of year again, and I know some cards are kind of weird or they cost too much. So, here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some cardstock and some colored pencils. You can get cardstock dirt cheap. You can buy it at any office supply store. It's around $10 for like 50 sheets. So if you divide each card, you're going to save a lot of money. So here's what you want to do. Take your cardstock, fold it over, make sure it's even. There we go. So now what you want to do is you can write Happy Mother's Day in any color you like, but I'm going to use black. Give it kind of a effect here that I want. So now that I got this, here's what you want to do. There we go. So now that you got that done, what you could do is you could do anything you like. I'm going to do an image that I know, so there we go. So now I'll take some light blue or turquoise. I'll just kind of go And you can do anything you want. I'm just happening to do this because Mom has an office, so that's there's 3 windows in a row, so that's why I'm doing this. So here we go. There we go. I got the front now. So now I got to do the back. So I'm going to do a barcode and the company name. So I did the company name, which is the name of my channel. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do for the month. Okay. So this is just a made card. This number is not real. I just did that just to show that you can make it. So I'm going to do this. And there we go. We have the inside. So there we go. So this is the front. This is the inside. And this is the back. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.